Today is an exciting day.
You guys, welcome back to our channel. Okay, so as many of you guys know, Jared, one of his really good friend, Philip, is in town visiting us.
Yeah.
He's been here for about a month, so.
It's been amazing. Absolutely just pure bliss. No, it's been honestly a lot of fun. He's not been here for a month.
He's not here right now, so I can tease
feels
him.
like a month.
We always joke that when he comes and he stays for about 10 days. And so
him and his girlfriend are off actually right now getting some stuff for where we're about to go.
I know, you guys, we are so excited. We've had so much fun with them. You've probably been noticing we haven't videoed a ton. We'll get to that here in a little bit. But today we do have some super fun plans. So for any of you that are new to our channel, we live here in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. And we absolutely love sharing around where we live because we know a ton of you guys always come here on vacation, whether you're going out on a cruise or just coming here to vacation in general. So we like to scope out things and give you suggestions on what to do for fun and things like that.
We have a whole playlist of stuff like this, so if you guys are interested, and we're definitely gonna be adding this. Already, I just know it. We're gonna be adding this.
I know, I feel like Jared's wanted to do this for so long. So some good friends of ours here actually invited us out for a day on the water on their boat, which we are so excited for, but
where we're going, we have never been before and we've always wanted to go.
Yeah, so if you guys know the intercoastal that we live on right here, so if you take it south down towards Miami, there is a really famous place called, I'll let you tell them, babe.
It is called the Hollover Inlet, and it's really, really famous because it is essentially like a channel, like a little section where you can get out into the ocean from the intercoastal, but like right there, like somehow, for some reason, where the water comes in from the channel, it is just super, super clear and very just unreal, like bright blue water. There's a sandbar there where it's like
a huge sandbar.
Massive sandbar. We've always wanted to go there, but you can only get there by boat. And so, or unless you have paddle boards or something like that. Anyway, so we've always wanted to do it. We've never had the opportunity to go until today.
I know, you guys are sweet friends. They are awesome. We'll actually have to introduce you on our channel to them later. We'll see.
They're so cool.
Sometimes it's awkward, like pulling out the vlog camera and vlogging with people we don't know if like they're down for that. But anyways, they invite us out with their family, plus Philip and JC. So it's so sweet of them to be like, yeah, bring your friends too. So it should be a really fun time. Jared's packed the water scooters.
Oh yeah.
He's packed the scuba air tanks to
I got everything, baby.
We got football, snacks, treats, all the stuff where you're gonna pick up some donuts. You guys, there's a new place here called Parlor Donuts, and the donuts are so good. Put that on your list if you're coming to Fort Lauderdale. Parlor Donuts, so good. So this is our same friend, if you remember when our little nephews and niece came to visit, who helped do that really awesome surprise for the boys with that car.
Insane generosity,
Yes. So they actually have a car and boat rental company that they will go, and you can plan like any type of excursion, whether it's just a couple hours. Say if you want to go explore like Fort Lauderdale, you can hire them to go take you out for a couple hours, which is awesome.
Or if you have boating experience, you can just rent the boat from them.
Or you can rent the boat for them, or take out for like the full day, kind of like what we're doing. And it's him and his sister and a couple friends that run it. And so we actually talked to them and we're like, can we share your guys' company and everything?
So he did say that there's an app that usually like do the bookings and whatnot through. However, he did say that if you just book it through them directly, so you hit them up on Instagram, you can actually save a little bit of money, and that way it's just like direct.
Yes, and request Denaya as your boat captain. She is his sister, and she is the sweetest.
Awesome,
She's such a good captain. We love them. So anyways, you guys, it's gonna be so much fun out there. We're gonna get things finished and packed up, and then we will see you out on the water.
Feeling a little parched, are we? Grabbing some snacks from the boat day?
You guys, okay, we have not videoed in a few days, so we got a lot to catch up on.
Yeah.
You could say, I know, I've been all about Sprite lately. We got it for, actually, was it for the boat day or another day?
Yeah, it is.
I remember, actually, Philip did say Sprite was one of his favorites, so I actually got it for Philip. But we got a lot to catch up on.
Last we videoed was that boat day, and oh my gosh, that place was awesome.
Oh my gosh.
It was amazing.
That water and everything, like, so clear. I was surprised because you go from the intercoastal water, which is, it's kind of gross, honestly.
Yeah.
It's like brownish, and it's like in a lot of
It's
places
really pretty when you're just kind of like, you know, cruising around, but it's like the water is disgusting. But then when it opens up, it was just like weird. It also just got filtered out, and it was just beautiful water.
Oh yeah, it was almost kind of like alligator reef type water, where it's just really blue and clear.
Like when the sun would pop out, it was just like see-through.
And
it was amazing.
You could probably tell from the video, like it was waist deep, if that, at times.
Yeah, and that was at high tide, so like means at low tide, like the whole like thing would be showing.
I know, you guys, and they brought in volleyball, so these guys were playing volleyball like a ton of the time. We had
that was a lot of fun.
skip balls, like all the fun things. We were playing music.
Yeah.
Cute Jared even drove the boat home
That's
for a
right.
little bit. Nick Shaw let him do that.
It was super nice of him, and he was giving me some pointers and stuff, and it was just like, hey, watch out for boats behind you too. And I didn't even think about that, because like when you're driving a car, you don't think about the cars behind you too much, you know, if ever. And like he was saying to me, it's like, you gotta watch out for the boat traffic. Anyway, it was just seriously so much fun. I loved it, absolutely loved it.
Oh my gosh, and then like their friends were really fun. We had Philip and JC, that was really fun.
It was a fun crew, really fun crew.
Oh my gosh, it was such a good day. You guys, can I just tell you, we've been talking, having friends here and doing fun things, especially obviously outside here in Florida that we love so much. It has been so good for us.
Oh, it's been amazing. And like the water, we absolutely love the water.
Oh
anything to do with the ocean, we are just the massive fans of.
But it's just taken our mind off of the whole infertility thing. Like I feel like I genuinely have been laughing and like smiling, and I don't know, I think maybe all of those crazy hormone levels have kind of like leveled out. I'm feeling it myself again, which feels really good.
I think it was exactly like what our hearts just needed.
Oh yeah, like, without a doubt.
Yeah.
And just having Philip and JC here laughing with them has been awesome.
I know, it's been so much fun.
And so it's kind of just reminded me, like, there's so much good in life obviously going on. You can have obviously the hard stuff. It doesn't mean that all that sadness is gone by any means, but it is a good reminder, like, there's so many good things you can do. Or are we sitting down?
Yeah, we're sitting down. My arm's getting tired.
Sorry. Oh, and here's our fingers.
Oh, hi, bumpers.
Yes, oh my goodness.
Oh yes, best date
Michelle
ever.
was so sweet and has been watching Finn a lot while we've been doing these fun things. After the boat day, we were so exhausted, just I think from being in the sun all day, obviously. Yeah. But we did take Philip and JC. They requested, well, Philip requested Taco Craft. So we went to Taco Craft. It was actually our second time going there with him because he loves it so much. And it was really fun. They had live music playing that night, which was awesome. That
was really cool.
That always kind of adds to the vibe. So the one we go to, in case you're wondering, is in Lauderdale by the sea. It's about what, 10, 15 minutes from here?
Yeah, so there's one in Fort Lauderdale. You can go there. It's not our first choice.
Yeah, it's
but
like downtown.
Lauderdale by the sea is way better.
Because you're right by the beach, and it's a really fun just vibe everywhere.
Food's identical, so don't think it's about the food. It's just the atmosphere.
Yeah, the atmosphere. But you know, if you're here on vacation, I feel like you want that beachy atmosphere. So we went there, had the delicious tacos, my favorite, carne asada and shrimp. Those two. So good, chef's kiss. And then we actually brought Finn with us too, you guys, and it was so cute. We went to Sloan's Ice Cream after. It's a must. It's right across the street. It's bright pink. You can't miss it. And they give free puppy cones. So cute little Finn. It was so cute. He's just like licking a little puppy cone.
It was so cute.
So cute.
I think it's been a while since I've held the camera because my arm was actually hurting.
Jared can't even hold the camera up, man.
Yeah. I was just like, hold on. I got to put it like on a tripod or something. My arm's hurting.
Oh my
there
gosh.
we go. That's better.
Okay.
Sore.
And then yesterday, we actually went to a really fun brunch spot here. One of our favorite that we found. It's called Cafe Bastille, and it's near downtown, near Las Olas. Yeah. You could actually go walk along Las Olas. We took them there. That's kind of fun to walk in the day or night.
Just because sometimes it can be like a long wait, and so it's nice to be able to, like, since it's so close to the riverfront there, you can just go walk it.
They don't take reservations, so we put our name down, then we went and walked. We did a little bit of shopping, which was really fun. They have some really fun like beach stores and stuff in there. even though we live here, maybe we browsed a little bit.
Yeah. Most of my clothes come from the sushi shop.
I know, but that's okay. Anyways, and then we went and we had a delicious brunch. I recommend the avocado toast. It is delicious and it comes out so beautiful. And it's just a really fun place. It's like on the water. It's very like picture worthy, but the food is really good. They actually have tons of like croissants and baked goods. We have not gotten, but we do want to try those. They have the pistachio croissant, like cream filled. So Jared got, what did you get? You got French toast, I think?
I got French toast. I only had like one piece.
It's very rich.
It's extremely rich and it was a little bit more doughy, I guess you could say, than in my liking.
Yeah, it's more like a bread pudding, if you like that kind.
So I wasn't really expecting that, and so...
JC got waffles, and Philip got like a steak bowl that was really good. So anyway, kind of a fun little brunch spot in case you're looking for one when you come here. And then I'm trying to think, then we went on a drive, and we went and drove. Philip wanted to show JC like all the waterways through and the neighborhoods. Which was really fun. So of course Jared obliged, and we went and drove around for like an hour, probably more.
Well, that was like one of the things they wanted to see was just like the really pretty homes here.
I mean,
so,
that's
it's just like it's fun to see. It's fun to watch, and like the architecture is really cool, and so it's like, you know, coming from Utah where most of the homes look identical. It's like it's fun to see those.
It's just a different style where they're on all the little waterways and everything. We saw them from the boat the other day, but then it's fun to like actually drive through the neighborhoods and like see them.
So that's kind of fun, you know.
It's called the Venice of America. So anyways, that was really fun to like show them around there. And then last night we actually had Michelle and Nate over and the girls, and we just played some games and hung out. And that was really cool. Fun. Michelle and Philip know each other from back in the day since we've known him for over 10 years. So it was fun to like reminisce on old stories. And
I've known Philip for a long time. It's crazy.
I know, you guys. It's so fun to have like old friends that you know, you can keep.
Yeah, but like all of my old friends, like if I see really any of my friends, it's like life hasn't really skipped a beat, which is something I'm really grateful for. But he's like one of the few that's actually like kind of stayed in touch over the years.
I know, and I kind of love it because we're really good friends too. Because when Jared and I were dating, like Philip was kind of like my. He was friends with both of us, and so like I would talk to him, Jared would talk to him. He's like, remember when I would give you all this advice and like blah blah blah. So we have a lot of fun stories and can tease each other. So anyways, it's been really fun, and then to get to know JC and meet her, and it's just been awesome all around. So anyways, you guys, we are sorry we haven't been putting out videos, but we kind of felt like just this time just to soak it in with them here, take some time for us, and it's been really, really good. Like,
it's been great. Seriously, like I said it once and I'll say it again, it's literally what our hearts needed. Like, you know? Mentally, physically, those of you who experience infertility know it's just like always on your mind. So draining. So it has been emotionally. It has been really good just to like not think about it, kind of just not press pause, but honestly just like focus on other things for a little bit. Because obviously we're gonna be jumping back into it here in a little bit. So trying not to, obviously I'm excited for, you know, another possibility of that and the chance, but at the same time I'm like, this is a really nice little break for us to like take and enjoy together. And spend time with like friends, and we've made new friends, and you know, hang out with family. It's like, it's great. I know. It's absolutely great. Because we are so very blessed. We are so grateful. We are so grateful for all of you, all the sweet messages, the love you continue to send our way. Next week is National Infertility Awareness Week, so we are going to be putting out some videos about that and our story and some advice and just jumping all into that later. So, but for now, and Easter's coming up, so that'll be really fun. For now, I think we're gonna go ahead and close out today's video. So hopefully you guys had fun coming along with us here in Fort Lauderdale. And with that, we love you all. We'll see you all next time. See you guys. Love you. Bye.